Good morning, students. Today, I briefly explained intermediate second year syllabus commerce English medium as per last year, that is 2019-20 academic year syllabus, as this year was not confirmed or not finalized the syllabus till now. So, I explained commerce English medium syllabus. Good morning to all. As we know, commerce subject is for 100 marks. In this, we divided into two parts. That is, one was accountancy for 50 marks and second one theory for 50 marks. Total 100 marks. Commerce subject is for 100 marks. In this, we see accountancy syllabus for 50 marks was divided into 5 units. Okay, 5 units. Accountancy 5 units. Unit number 1, depreciation and accounting from incomplete records. Depreciation and accounting from incomplete records. From this chapter, we get depreciation for 5 marks and accounting from incomplete records. We have a problem for 5 marks, and also 2 marks questions also come from this both chapters. So 5 marks for depreciation, 5 marks for accounting from incomplete records, and 2 marks questions from both chapters. Okay. Unit number 2, consignment accounts. Consignment accounts. A 10 marks problem was come from this chapter. Okay. 10 marks problem from this chapter will come in examination, and also 2 marks question from this chapter. 10 marks problem and also 2 marks question will come from this chapter. Unit number 3, accounting for not for profit organizations. Accounting for not for profit organizations. A 10 marks problem also come from this chapter, and also 5 marks theory question from this chapter. 5 marks. For 5 marks, a theory question will come from this chapter, and also 2 marks question. Unit number 4, partnership accounts. A very important chapter for 20 marks problem. One and only 20 marks problem come from this chapter, and also a 2 marks ratio analysis small problem for 2 marks come from this chapter. Partnership accounts divided into 2 parts. One was partner admission and second one was partner retirement. Partner admission one part, partner retirement second part. From this, anyone come from exam from this chapter, anyone come in examination. Partnership admission or partnership retirement for 20 marks problem. Unit number 5, computerized accounting system. This is totally a theory part. Computerized accounting system. From this chapter, a 5 marks theory question and also a 2 marks theory question will come in examination. Computerized accounting system for 5 marks and also 2 marks theory part. Next, theory. Theory also divided into 5 units. Unit number 1, financial markets and stock exchange. financial markets and stock exchange. From this chapter, from this unit, a 10 marks question and also 5 marks question and also 2 marks questions. Okay, 10 marks plus 5 marks plus 2 marks questions will come in examination from this unit number 1, financial markets and stock exchange. Unit number 2, business services, banking and other services. Business services, banking and other services. From this chapter, 10 marks question and also 5 marks question and also 2 marks questions will come in examination. Unit number 3, entrepreneurship and entrepreneurship development. Entrepreneurship and entrepreneurship development. This is very important for 5 marks questions. 5 marks question plus 2 marks questions will come in examination from this chapter, entrepreneurship and entrepreneurship development. Unit number 4, internal and international trade. Internal and international trade. From this chapter, 5 marks and 2 marks questions will we attempt in examination from this chapter, internal and international trade. Unit number 5, principles and functions of management. Principles and functions of management, a very important 10 marks question will come from this chapter. 10 marks question and 5 marks question and 2 marks questions. 10 marks, 5 marks and 2 marks questions will come from this chapter, unit number 5, principles and functions of management. Okay, this is theory part. And this is commerce theory book. Commerce theory book for 50 marks and this one accountancy book for 50 marks. Just for reference, you can see this is theory book and this is accountancy book for 50 marks, total 100 marks. Okay.